Hello everybody, welcome to another Simply Show, and today we are going to be learning about the overflow property in CSS. So this property helps us tell the browser what to do if the content contained within a box is larger than the box itself. So over here we have two boxes which are divs with paragraph content. One has an ID of overflow hidden and the other one has an ID of overflow scroll. So they have been selected with CSS. As we can see right now, the content is not bigger than the box. So if the content is bigger than the box, we should introduce two values to the overflow property on each different box. That is the value of hidden and the value of scroll on these two separate divs. We can see the first box has hidden the content and the second one has created a scroll functionality. So as simple as that, we are able to use the overflow property with two of most important values, which was hidden and scroll, using these two different divs, which are boxes containing content. Thank you everybody for watching this Simply Show.